This week's news will make or break the market. What's up, guys? How's it going? Zoltaev here, aka John. Before I do go ahead and get started with the video, I do want to go ahead and say I am not a financial advisor. Anything I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only, okay, guys? Only my opinion. So this week is very important. The reason why is because the Federal Reserve is talking about, raising rates. Why is that important? Because that pretty much determines how our economy is going to be doing and what their plans are, right? Does it really matter? No. The short answer is no, it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, they're going to go ahead and do what they got to do, and they're going to go ahead and do what benefits them. Do you really think, and I'm already going straight at it, do you guys really think they care about inflation? They don't. They don't care. They could care less about inflation. They could care less about you and I. So, do you guys really think this is going to be for our benefit, or is it going to be for their benefit? So just go ahead and keep that in mind, all right? With the news going on, I really think, personal, my opinion, I really think that it's going to benefit us. It just seems like the more bad news we get, the better the market does. People are freaking out right now in the stock market, especially in the stock market. It dropped 6 to 11%. Like, that's ridiculous. We've been hitting new all-time highs this whole year. And ever since, the scandemic happened, we've been making new all-time highs. I don't know why people are freaking out. I think it's an overreaction to what's going on currently in the market. And it's been pretty insane. So check this out. So this is what Gregory Manarino sent over. He said, right now, this is for Saturday, right? So on Friday, closing news. And why does the stock market matter in the crypto market? Because that gives us an upper leverage to any other YouTuber who is not aware of what's going on. You guys have to be very careful who you guys listen to. Influencers that are out here in this space are just as clueless as you are. So just go ahead and keep that in mind. A lot of these influencers don't know anything about the market. They literally just are running off emotions. They have no idea what's going on. And I don't know what's going on, but I could definitely tell you that I have a better upper hand than most people do because of keeping my eyes on the stock market, which is the main driver of the market overall, right? Me keeping an eye on the market, on the stock market, provides me to go ahead and give you guys news and a lot more better accuracy into our future predictions. I said predictions, okay? I'm not saying I'm going to be 100% right, but my predictions give me a higher chance of predicting the future. So with that being said, just to go ahead and get that out the way, here's what happened on Friday. So when we closed Friday in the stock market. Right now, the S&P has fallen above 8% from its all-time high, and the Nasdaq has fallen about 11%. Despite some people are freaking out, and as you know, moves like this are totally normal, even in bull markets. So this is totally normal. When we go ahead and have a correction or a little dump into the market, that is a sign of a bullish indicator because the market cannot continue to always go up. I don't know why people tend to have this tendency to believe that we're always going to go ahead and go green. Like, no, we need to go ahead and have pullbacks, and pullbacks are very healthy in the market. What's going on right now in crypto, sorry about that, the pullbacks are very positive. That is a very good, strong indicator that we are going to go up higher in the long term. So with that out the way, let's go ahead and look at the MMRI, the Manarino Market Risk Indicator. So we ended up Friday at 103, still moderate. Nothing to go ahead and worry about. Like I said, this week will definitely go ahead and either make or break the market. And before we go any further, I do want to go ahead and say congratulations to everybody who is still watching this video and still hasn't clicked out. I do want to go ahead and say that you are a winner and not a loser. You, by staying in this video, is going to go ahead and make a difference in what you know, and is going to go ahead and keep you ahead of the crowd. So congratulations to that. So let's go ahead and head over to the Federal Reserve's balance sheet. So check this out. In 1 year, it literally has been mooning. This is crazy. This is off from the Federal Reserve's balance sheet. You can go ahead and type it in yourself. And this is all public information. Are these numbers real? Are they accurate is what I mean? Probably not. It's probably a lot higher than what we think. You know, they're obviously going to go ahead and pull out what we need to know, but it's crazy. I mean, the evidence is right in front of our eyes, and sometimes we don't have to look any further when it's there, right? And that's what pretty much the case is. Look at this. Look at their balance sheet. Literally in a year has just gone straight up, and the dollar continues to drop in value. Inflation is going to continue. How do you go ahead and fight against inflation? Continue to buy assets that go up in value. Metals, cryptocurrency, stocks. Those are going to be the markets that the money is going to go ahead and, as soon as they go ahead and start inflating more, which best believe with what's going on right now with inflation, raising these rates is not going to make a difference with inflation. I think inflation is already here. It's not going to go. Like, they can't just go ahead and fix it like that in a flip of a switch, you know? So just continue for inflation and continue to go up high. Like I said, they're not doing this for our benefit. They're doing it for their benefit. So like I said, determining on what happens in the market this week and what the Fed says, we're going to go ahead and get an overall view of how the market is going to be reacting. And because of that, the market is overreacting to what is going on with the news. It's not that big of a deal. We kind of already know the answer. Inflation's going to go higher. They don't care. And the market's going to continue to go up. So if it does drop, do expect a nice little dump going on. But like I said, this is going to be more of a little bit of a long-term thing going on right now in the market. I just switched over to the BTC chart right now, the Bitcoin. So where can Bitcoin drop down to? So it could realistically drop down to 27,000, 29,000, 27, 29 to 27,000 it's possible, determining on how people are reacting. And if it does drop that low, just keep in mind that just means we're going to get extended to the bull market. The bull market hasn't even started. We have not even gotten started with the bull market yet. There is still plenty of room to go. And, you know, right now it's just a waiting game. It's all about waiting. Right now, the big whales are playing games to see. Let me get rid of some of these lines. But right now, they're pretty much just waiting right now to see and like board people out to go ahead and panic and get scared. Let's go ahead and see the BTC indicator. It's a fear and greed index. So let's go ahead and see how the fear and greed index is doing today. So extreme fear. There you go. You know what that means? Buy. Not financial advice, but that means buy. So I don't want to go ahead and make this video any longer. I did definitely want to go ahead and let you guys know what's going on and what my opinion is going on this week. This is a very, very important week to go ahead and find out how the market's reacting so far right now. It's just very undecisive, you know. Right now, we're looking at the 4-hourly chart. We're having a difficult time breaking above 50. I'm sorry, not 50. 36,000. So as long as we slowly have been breaking it, but not fully through. Yeah, we have to fully break that to go ahead and see a little uptrend going up in there. Let's go ahead and switch over to the hourly. Hourly is doing decent. We need to go ahead and hold above 36,000. It's just been consolidating. Like I said, guys, don't expect this to go green anytime soon. I really do think the market might be turning around maybe mid-February to March. We should be seeing a bounce. So just go ahead and hold on tight. I do want to go ahead and say that go ahead and join the Discord down below. We are making it free at the time being, but eventually we are going to go ahead and make it a paid version. There is certain things I can go ahead and talk about in this video because I will get demonetized even though I'm not monetized, but the video will not get to many people. So luckily I could talk about a little bit more than if I was monetized, but we're very limited and I know the channel will soon be taking off. So go ahead and make sure to join down the description down below to our Discord. Jump in and we'll definitely go ahead and chat it up in there. So I just want to go ahead and give you guys those news. Want to say thank you for everything, and if you guys are still watching, you guys are winners, right? So I'll go ahead and keep you guys in the loop, let you guys know what's going on this week. Go ahead and stay tuned to the end of the video to go ahead and watch the NFT that we're dropping. And until later, guys, you guys have a great day. Have a wonderful week. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday with another video. Have a good one.
What is that? It's red and gooey and it Ah! Did it just move? No! Get away from me! Ah!